the bridge, stretching toward the lake, imagine a house created to connect forest, water, and people. Unpuente is a house located in a gated community facing the Los Molinos Reservoir in the Calamuchita Valley, Córdoba, surrounded by forest and with direct views of the lake. The steeply sloping site preserves its existing vegetation and offers a calm retreat atmosphere, ideal for combining family time with rest and contemplation. The main access is via a bridge-like walkway that seems to float, extending from the street like a tongue reaching for the lake. The materials reinforce solidity and durability. Exposed concrete, steel, and wood predominate. Finishes are low maintenance. Natural textures contrast with the purity of the concrete, while glass and strategically placed openings frame trees, lake, and light. On this upper level are the master suite, spacious social areas, living, dining, circulation, and the garage. The social areas are angled to maximize the panoramic view of the reservoir. A gallery, sun deck, and pool expand this dialogue with the outdoors. At the center of the house rises a helical staircase, illuminated by a skylight from above, functioning as both a sculptural element and the circulation core descending to the lower floor. This semi-submerged level was designed with side and central courtyards, ensuring cross-ventilation, natural light, and privacy. Light enters filtered, through the shade of canopies, skylights, and high openings. The interplay of light and shadow shifts throughout the day, creating visual pauses and moments of contemplation. On this lower floor is a multipurpose hall with a barbecue and game area, with independent access perfect for hosting friends without interfering with the intimate spaces. Unpuente reveals itself as more than a house. It is a link between levels, between functions, between nature and architecture. It is a work that respects the terrain, embraces the slope, preserves vegetation, and offers comfort, views, privacy, and conviviality. A refuge where form, function, and landscape unite to offer something timeless, light, and integrative.